regulate my cycle? This is the one question that I get asked all over the world by women of all ages. And I want to give you a simple tip I learned in acupuncture school. In Chinese medicine, white peony can be used to help regulate a cycle because it brings blood flow to the uterus, and it also regulates hormone levels so that you can have more available hormone to help you have a regular cycle. All you got to do is take about 30 drops of this in your soup, salad, smoothies 3 times a day. And if you can do that until you get 3 regular cycles, you're well on your way. And another acupressure technique I'd like to share with you is this following acupressure point. You're going to put your hands together, go to the nose, and then go on your cheekbones or your zygomatic process, and you're going to do this for the next minute and follow along with me. You can apply any type of pressure that you want. I tend to like things soft on my face because it feels good, and I want you to apply this pressure for just a couple of minutes, couple times a day. Why does this acupressure point help you to have a regular cycle? This acupressure point specifically can mirror image the uterus. And so we are bringing blood flow to the uterine wall and also encouraging the uterus to contract, hence having a regular cycle. And this acupressure point has a doubling effect. It can help you to help with period cramps, as we all know can be extremely painful. So I want you to go to my YouTube channel and you can check out a 30-day series on how to regulate your cycle. You can pick from any of the tips, but I want you to pick one acupressure point that you can do each day, couple minutes, couple times a day, till you get 3 consistent cycles, and then you are well on your way. Of course, work with your doctor or any recommendations she or he may have, and I wish you all the best, looking and feeling your best as a woman on the planet. From your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthy.